What's up all my fine girls? No Pimple is Whit here again with another video. So today I am back with another video, and today's gonna be another perfume video. I love perfume, okay? And it's something that I'm trying to incorporate more into my channel, so you know, yeah, you will be seeing more perfume videos here and there sprinkled throughout the channel. So anyways, today I'm gonna be talking about perfumes that I think are the best top perfumes for women. I was trying to say woman and women at the same time. I just said for women. For women, these are just ultra feminine perfumes. They're not unisex. Like, they're pretty much like, if you just want to feel like a woman, very feminine, very dainty, this is going to be the perfect video for you. So let's go ahead and get into this. All right, so the first perfume that I have here is going to be Maison Francis Kurkdjian. This is their Feminine Pluriel, okay, y'all. This is a stunning perfume. This is a beautiful floral perfume, okay. This right here, just like the name says, Feminine Pluriel. You guys, this is an ultra feminine perfume. You guys, I cannot get enough of this. I love the way this perfume smells. First and foremost, projection, amazing. Longevity, amazing. Like, I feel like I get a great wear out of this. I can smell this throughout the day. I just feel super elegant, very classy, very feminine. Whenever I wear this perfume, I love it. It is stunning. Look at the bottle. Like, just look at this bottle. Wouldn't it just look gorgeous on anybody's like vanity, anybody's perfume tray? Like, this is such a beautiful perfume. I recently just acquired this, so that's why there's not really much of a dent in there, but best believe I sampled this for almost half a year, and I was like, okay, I gotta finally buy it. By the way, FYI, if you don't know, let me say something. Let me put you on some game right now if you don't know this. When it comes to Maison Francis Kurkdjian perfumes, buy it straight from his website. Do not go into Saks, do not go into Neiman's, I mean, unless you just don't have the patience to wait. But it is significantly cheaper to buy it from his website, like $60 to $70 cheaper than buying it here in the States at like a department store. And the shipping time is not long. Like, you literally, if you order on a Monday, you more likely get on a Friday. So like, it ships really fast. So yes, Feminine Pluriel is definitely my recommendation. It's a suture floral, beautiful woman perfume, okay? And you're gonna love it, okay? Because I love it. I'm talking about y'all gonna love it because I love it. But listen, it's true. I love this perfume, and I feel y'all will like it too, okay? Alright, so the next perfume that I have here is the Armani My Way Intense version. This is the 1.7 ounce. This right here is just a perfect tuberosy, bubblegummy perfume. But don't get me wrong, it's not kiddish, it's not childish, okay? Because listen, I don't like childish smelling perfumes. But there's something very sweet about this. But at the same time, elegant. You know, I feel like this right here is a perfect everyday scent for sure. You could definitely wear this to the office. It's not offensive. It's just really beautiful, like very beautiful. And I think most people will like the way this smells. I like the original version as well too, but somehow I just have the intense version. So yeah. All right, so the next perfume that I have here is the Valentino, their Donna Born in Roma. This is the 3.4 fluid ounce. You guys, this right here is a beautiful like perfume that has that black currant in there. There's something very sweet about this, but also sensual. Right here, this right here, when I spray this on, I gotta spray this in the air. Sometimes perfumes, like, sometimes there's no words for something. It's just, you know what, I like to do is make noises, okay? And this right here is just a beautiful, gorgeous scent, okay? I love how sweet this perfume is. And listen, I feel like a man will love this on you, okay? Because, you know, men, they love sweet perfumes on women, okay? So if you're looking for a perfume where you're just going to smell very sweet, very, you know, just luscious, okay, eatable. This is the perfume right here. Like, I love the way this smells. Like, this is something I have to have in my collection at all times. I love this perfume. The bottle is gorgeous. The juice is just beautiful. Like, I love how pink it is. I love pink. Pink is my favorite color. I just love the way the air is smelling right now. That black currant in there is just stunning. Like, I love this perfume. And yes, I would definitely recommend this as a top perfume for any woman. I feel like this is a scent that will appeal to most people. Of course, you know, perfume is subjective. Some things that most people will like, most people won't like it. But for the most part, I feel like a lot of people will like this scent. And I feel like a lot of people do because I see it in a lot of people's perfumes videos. So yeah, Valentino Donna Born in Roma, okay? All right, next up is a perfume that I don't see anybody talking about. And I don't know why. This is a perfume by Tiziana Terenzi. I feel like I see people talking about their other ones, like, you know, Kirk, Deluxe, all of the other ones, right? But nobody talks about this perfume. And this is White Fire. I cannot believe people do not talk about this perfume. This perfume is gorgeous. Ugh. It's so elegant. Like, it's something about this is very like fresh, but not like a citrusy fresh, not like a laundry fresh. Something that's, I don't know how to explain it. Also, when it comes to longevity, This perfume has amazing longevity, okay? I had wore this to class one time and I had my mask on, obviously, you know, I ain't trying to get COVID out here, okay? And with my mask on, I was smelling myself. Like, I was so intoxicated with myself. Like, I was like, oh my gosh. Have you ever sprayed a perfume just like, my goodness, I smell so good. I cannot stop smelling myself. That was this. Like, nobody talks about this perfume, but I feel like this is an underrated perfume from the line, and I feel like you should definitely try it out. And then also, like, the notes in here, this has oxygen, fresh ice. Like, wait a minute. Huh? What does the oxygen smell like? What does the ice smell like? I don't know, but if I would smell it, I feel like it'll smell just like this. This is beautiful. And I love this perfume. Yet again, this is a perfume that I feel like I have to have at all times. I feel like this will smell good on any woman, okay? This gives me very just elegant vibes, very just a woman who is about her business, okay? Like, she has her ish together, okay? She's not the one that you can run games on. You can't play in them silly little games on, okay? Not this girl. Not this girl, okay? Not this woman, okay? All right, so the next perfume I have here is by the lovely Dior, and this is the Miss Dior. This is their Blooming Bouquet, and this is the 3.4 fluid ounce that I have here. If it's one thing I would say about Dior is that they do perfumes really well when it comes to just elegant perfumes. That's the word I'm looking for. Elegant perfumes. Like, I feel like Dior, like, if I smell it, I know, like, they definitely have a DNA to their perfumes that I'm like, that smells like a Dior perfume. And this is no doubt an exclusion to it. Like, it smells like something Dior will put out. Let me spray this here. Oh my goodness, y'all, this is so beautiful, so stunning. Like, I feel like this right here is a perfect everyday scent. You can wear, well, you can wear this at nighttime. So I find you can wear this at nighttime, but for me, this is definitely an everyday scent. Brunch vibes, lunch vibes, you know, just something that is there, but it's not offensive. Like, you know, it's one of those perfumes where when you have it on, like, and you're around a bunch of people, they keep smelling it, and eventually they're like, you know, what does that smell? Like, who is that? That is this, okay? This is such a gorgeous classic perfume, okay? And I love it. Blooming Bouquet by Dior. I feel like my boob is about to pop out. Oh my gosh. It was a good thing y'all can't see what's going on down here. So next up, let us step into the house of Mancera. This right here is probably one of my favorite Mancera perfumes, okay? Listen, I love all of my Mancera perfumes, but I would say this is one of my top ones, and this is Mancera's Roses Vanille. As you guys, look at that dent that I put in here, you guys. I got this perfume back in January. Today's February 28th that I'm filming this video. Or is it February? No, today's the 27th. Sorry, 27th that I'm filming this video. Y'all, look at this. I have made quite a dent in this perfume. This right here is just a perfect everyday scent. Like, I love it. Like, it has that rose in there. It has some sugary notes in there. Literally, it's like roses and vanilla. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. This is a perfect alternative and a perfect dupe to, what's that brand called? MFK's Gentle Fluidity Gold. I was interested in getting that perfume, and then I was like, wait a minute. This smells like something I already own. And I was like, it smells like Roses Vanille. You guys, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful perfume. This is also a lot cheaper than the MFK one. So I definitely would recommend this. Also, longevity, amazing. Projection, amazing. Like, whenever I spray this, I cannot stop smelling myself. Like, it smells so good. This is a perfume that I have to have at all times. It is super, super ultra feminine. Like, I feel like this will smell good on anybody, really. I feel like most people will like this scent. This is a perfect everyday perfume for sure. This is perfect to wear to the office. This is perfect to wear anywhere. If you are a provider or physician, you know, because I know a lot of times it's best not to wear very loud perfumes just because you are dealing with patients, and, you know, sometimes it could just, you know, it can affect them, you know, like, it can, sometimes if the perfume's too much, it can be a little offensive. I feel like if you're like a physician, a nurse, whatever, this is something that you could definitely wear to, like, you know, the clinic, the hospital, and not be like offensive to people's noses. It's something just so gentle about this. Comforting as well too, you know, like if I was a sick patient and my nurse came and smelled like this, I would be very comforted. Comforted. That's not the word. What is the word? Comfort. Is that it? I'm trying to make a word that I don't think is a word, but I'll feel very comfortable around her. I'm like, oh, I feel so much. I feel better. I feel like I'm going to get better. So yes, Roses Vanille by Mancera is such a beautiful perfume. By the way, this is the 4 fluid ounce that I have here. So yeah, y'all. Oh, it's just, I just love this. All right, so I have one more from the House of Mancera, and this is going to be Roses Greedy. Oh, this right here is just a true rose perfume. If you like rose, if you like floral scents, you will love this right here. Super, super, super gorgeous. Ultra feminine in my opinion. I feel like this is perfect for any occasion, anywhere. I feel very just feminine when I spray this on. Like, I love this scent. Yet again, with Mancera, one thing about this brand, I know that they are consistent. And so far, all the perfumes that I've tried from the brand, they all perform very well. I don't have an issue. I don't have an issue with projection. I don't have an issue with longevity. It's going to do just that. So you're going to get this out of that. Definitely a beautiful scent. Would highly recommend Roses Greedy, okay? Okay, so the next perfume I have here, this is the Armani, their Fiori, and I heard that this is being discontinued, so, I mean, if you can get your hands on this, get your hands on this, okay? But let's talk about this. This is so sweet, so beautiful. Something about this reminds me of Kilian's Love Don't Be Shy, or, what's that brand? Perfumes and Marley, their Oriana. Something in this reminds me of it. So if you like those scents, but you don't want to pay that price, and this is still available, go ahead and pick this up. Like, y'all, this is beautiful. And then look at the bottle. Like, y'all, it's pink. It's gorgeous. Like, I mean, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Where can I spray this? Let me just spray it in there. I love this. I love this. This smells so, oh, so beautiful. Like, this right here is just a true woman perfume. Like, you're going to get compliments with this. Like, I mean, how can you not like this scent? Like, I love this. Like, I feel like this is a very appealing scent, mass appealing scent. I feel like most people will like this. A man is going to eat this up, okay? He's going to eat this up on you, okay? When he smells this on you, he's not going to be able to get enough of you, okay? Listen, I'm telling you, I'm put you on game, okay? Y'all, Armani Fiori. I love, love, love this perfume. By the way, this is a 3.4 fluid ounce. All right, and last but certainly not least, this is going to be one that you have seen in damn near everybody's video. This perfume is so talked about here in the YouTube realm, okay? And this is Perfumes de Marley, their Delina exclusif. Listen, you guys. Y'all, this perfume is gorgeous. Like, you don't even, I don't have to spray it and you could just smell it. Like this, the cap, just touching it, it gets all over my fingertips and I love it. This right here is a beautiful floral powdery scent. I love this perfume. Honestly, it's so weird, but I love to travel with this perfume on. Like, I don't take it with me outside the house, but like whenever I'm traveling somewhere, this is what I want to smell like until I get to my destination. Because one thing I know is that this is going to last me the entire travel day and it's still going to be on my clothes until I get home and wash it off. Like, this lasts forever. This projects like crazy. I get compliments all the time whenever I spray this perfume. It is gorgeous. Like, it literally takes up a room. Like, it's so beautiful. Like, I remember I wore this on a car ride somewhere. I was traveling and y'all, it took up the car ride. Like, it smells so good, okay? If you want everybody to smell you, this is the perfume right here. And not only that, it's just something about this just makes me feel so womanly, like so feminine, so gorgeous. Like, I love this. It's an elegant perfume. I love, 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 love this, okay? If you don't like Delina, damn, like, I can't believe you don't like Delina. Like, why? Why? Like, this perfume is so beautiful. I love Delina, okay? Like, this is something I have to have at all times. I love, love this perfume. I don't have anything in my collection that smells like this. It's unique, okay? In my opinion, this is unique, okay? I love, love, love it, okay? All right, you guys, so that is the end of this video. That's all I have for you guys. Comment down below any perfumes that you feel like, you know, are super ultra feminine, womanly, you know, and they're just beautiful. Let me know down below because I'm always looking for new things to check out. I'm always looking for new things. So comment down below what you think are just super beautiful, womanly perfumes. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.